Hey everybody, Chris with Fix the Rust Bucket. Just wanted to give you an update on our Chevy truck. Our parts are in. We have our new hubs, our ball joints, upper and lowers, outer tie rods, sway bar end links, our poly bushings for the upper and lower control arms. Yesterday we went out, picked up some used parts for the truck, the wheels. They have a black coating or something on them, some kind of a poly coating. So we'll have to get that peeled off. And Fix the Rust Bucket fashion, we have picked up our outer and inner fender back there, the door as well. They do have some dents and dings on them, so we'll be doing some body work on those later on in some videos. So hopefully by the end of this week, it's supposed to be getting into the 80s. We'll be able to get the truck torn apart, the front suspension apart, get those parts outside cleaned up and painted, and get this reassembled. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so when I post a new video, you'll be notified.